Okay, next object that I will be demonstrating will be the foundation for this area and the walls. Let's create the foundation. That's one of the easiest one, guys. So just get the box and drag the box around. Okay, that's too big. What I'll do, I'll scale it down and move it back. Move it down like this. Okay, that's my foundation. I move the okay, this my snap tool is accidentally turn this one off. Then I create the foundation. The next one would be creating the smash wall. Okay, to do this one I'll get the plane, which is this one. I'll go to my left view. It's always better to do it in the left view. If you do it in the perspective view, it's going to look like this, but we want the wall go, oh, turn this one to left side again. See, I'll move it like that. I pick, right click and okay, press F4 and have a look at the wireframe. Okay, I need the much more resolution than this one. I press I press R for scale. Okay, go to the modify, add a little bit of resolution. Here we go. Then what I would do, I convert this one to editable poly. Then I go to the polygon and delete. I press Q key for the selection mode. Delete them. I want to move this guy a little bit away, and this one too. Okay, again select the plane. Then there's a no thickness, it's a paper thickness right now. What I'll do, I add another modifier called shell modifier, which I can find over here. Shell modifier. See, I add, as soon as I add, you can see the little bit of thickness going on. I increase it up. Here we go. It's working perfectly fine. Then I collapse this one, right click, collapse. I'm trying to bake bake this modification into my editable poly mesh. Collapse all. Just right click it and collapse all. I again back to my editable polygon mode. If you want to, you can move these vertices around, make it much more interesting, or if you have any other idea, you can do it. You don't have to exactly create the your design piece look like mine. You can come up with a much better idea. Okay, you don't have to confine something like this. That's look good. Okay, then what I would need, okay, select the color, everything. Time to time make sure you have saved your project. Okay, but actually I haven't saved so far. Save, And since we have created the project folder, it's automatically jump this MCC164 big folder. Then inside there is a small folder. Click the scene file and put the project name, project 1. Save. That's been done. Then I want to create the tree which is outside. That's the easiest thing that you could do. Go to the create panel. Okay, this is the create panel. At the moment we created the standard primitives. We want to go to the AEC extended, create the foliage. Select any of the foliage in here. Okay, I'm going to get this one. Don't worry about the size right now. We can modify and go to the modify. It's like any other object modification. See, this is a simplest model that we gonna incorporate to this one. See, density, you can put the density down or you can have it. You can prune the tree, whatever you like, guys. This is gonna be so cool. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this and I'm gonna move it here. I need to create, don't worry, but as soon as you select something else, you get your tree gonna look like this. But if you select it again, your tree will look the same how it was. Okay, it's just an indication. If you select something else, just the indication where your leaves gonna be. Okay, then I want to create the little foundation over here. What I could do, Alt W, go to my top view. Then what I could do, give me a sec, create panel. Okay, I'm going to again standard primitive and plane. Okay, I create the plane, but it's got so many segment. What I'll do, go to the modification panel. I'll drop it down to the 0, the 1. Now there is no any segment. Then convert it to editable poly. If I show that thing over here, see, it's look like this. There's another really cool tool that you could use to create this kind of shape. I'm going to create a little bit foundation around the square brick foundation around this tree. See this little arrow, click that one. I'm going to open the graphite modeling tool, then shift to loop, click this one. Okay, you can create the edge loops. You can mark them. Okay, then to escape, just press the escape. To exit, sorry, to escape, exit, press the escape button. Then I'm going to edit it a little bit more. Select the corner vertices. I'm going to make it round. Then scale it up. You don't have to do exactly same thing what I'm doing in here. Then polygon. Okay, then I'm going to add the shell modify again. I'll again go to the top of the hierarchy, add the shell modify. See, it looks like it's a bit big. Put it down. Then what I'll do, I'm going to move this guy over here. Okay, I'm going to collapse it, collapse all, press yes, then I'm going to scale this guy. Press W key and change it. Here we go. this is the scene so far. With my next tute, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to create the little bit of foundation, again the footpath over here and the cage. Okay, I'm going to stop right